1/4 mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back and you're ready for another DIY. So in today's project, I'm going to be using dollar store materials, and I'm just going to be trying to create a higher end look. So I'm going to be trying to give the look of some rattan decor, or also I guess it could be called cane, but it's more of a timeless look, and I'm just going to be using one of these under rug grippers that you put under the rug to keep it from moving, to kind of mimic the look of rattan, to give that look that you could buy for home decor at like a higher end store like a H&M Home or something like that. And if you want to see how this decor turns out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I'm actually reusing some frames that I used from a previous DIY that I'll also link in this video. But right here, I'm just kind of just measuring the size of the amount of the rug gripper that I need to cut. And then from there, I'm just going to paint it so it can match kind of the color of rattan, because this color isn't an exact match. So I'm gonna try to get as close to the color as I can with some of the paint that I already have in my craft stash. And so I'm just painting one side of the rug gripper, and then I'm going to turn it over and paint the other side once it dries. So I'm starting the base of this decor piece with a rectangle sized frame from the dollar store, and I have the glass glued in the inside of the frame, and I just detached like the cardboard piece and everything. And so then I'm going to glue and add my painted rug gripper on top of that. And then after I get that glued down, then on top of that, I'm going to sandwich that with another frame on top of it. And this is just the frame by itself with no glass insert. And it basically has all of the tabs removed from the sides of the inside of the frame. I want to give the frame a little bit more height, so I'm adding another frame even on top of that one. So it's going to be 3 frames stacked on top of each other. so for the next piece of the decor, I'm going to be doing a rattan look storage basket. So it's going to give the look of a more higher end rattan looking storage basket, but it's going to be using the rub grippers as well. And here I am just disassembling all the frames and removing all of the tabs. I'm just painting the front and back of another rug gripper so I can use it for this piece. And then I'm using each frame to just kind of gauge where I need to cut so that the whole frame can be covered completely. And then I complete the same process for all 5 of the frames. And then I start to assemble everything together. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.